everyone. So, how is success determined? First of all, success is a word that carries weight. Success is a word that carries weight, expectation, countless interpretation. But what truly determines success? Is it wealth, status, or something deeper, something quieter? Well, for some, success is determined by a milestone society has set, a high-paying job, a sprawling house, or accolades from peers. These are the markers we're told to chase, the finish line we're told to follow. But have you ever paused and asked yourself, do these markers feel like success to me? Also, true success is deeply personal. It's not about climbing a ladder that someone else built. It's about making your own path that aligns with your dreams, value, and passion. For some, success might look like making millions. And for others, it might look like raising a kind child, finding inner peace, or simply waking up every day with a purpose. Well, success is not a destination. It's a state of being. It's not measured by the length of your resumes or the size of your bank account, but by the quality of your life and the authenticity of your journey. Ultimately, success is not determined by how the world sees you. It's by how you see yourself. And how you see yourself. It's a quiet pride in your heart. The fulfillment of knowing that you live your life with love, courage, and integrity. So, how is success determined? It's defined by you.